Hey GED students, it's GED question of the daytime, and we've got the dreaded word problem. So let's see if we can interpret this thing. It says hot dogs come in packages of 8. Okay, so you buy a package of hot dogs. I need my screenwriter. Let me try again. You buy a package of hot dogs, you get 8 dogs. We've all seen this in the grocery store. And yet the buns come in package of 12. Very distressing. So Nani is planning a party and wants to have exactly 1 bun for every hot dog. I do not know why Nani can't just handle. Some people aren't going to eat carbs anyway, but she must have OCD because she is like, we need these hot dogs to match these buns. So how many packages of hot dogs should she buy? And how many packages of buns? Now, interesting problem. The good news is you don't need to know any math vocabulary in order to work this problem. You could just kind of figure it out. Like she could buy another, 8 dogs here. And then shoot, she'd have more dogs than buns, wouldn't she? She'd be up to 16. So then she could buy another package of buns, and that would take her up to 24 buns. Oh, goodness. Now we have the reverse problem. We've got more buns than dogs. So I could buy another package of dogs. That's 8. So I already had 16. If I add another 8, now I'm up to 24 dogs. And now my dogs match my buns. I've got 24 dogs. I've got 24 buns. All these perfect hot dogs. And Nani doesn't have to stress. Okay, now let's go back to the question though and see with this problem solving what we've been asked. It says how many packages of hot dogs should she buy? So how many packages of hot dogs did we buy? We bought 1, 2, 3. Remember to answer the questions that they asked. 3 packages of hot dogs. And if you are the student who recognized this as an LCM word problem, good for you. But even if you didn't and you have no idea that LCM stands for least common multiple and you don't know that's what we've been doing the last few videos, but you can still, even with the most elementary math skills, figure this problem out pretty simply. Let's answer the second question here. It says how many packages of buns? So how many packages of buns did we buy? That was 1, 2. 2 packages of buns. So weird problem, definitely a divisibility application problem, but nothing too complex if you just start playing and see what happens. All right, if you have any questions about this or any other GED math topic, be sure to drop it in the comments. I'll do my best to answer it.